Dysmenorrhea. This is a case of dysmenorrhea of a lady aged about 33 years. Obesity, fair, fatty and flabby. Severe menstrual pain. The pain lasts for 3 days and the pain may cause even unconsciousness. Severe pain, the pain may cause unconsciousness, for which she had treated with variety of homeopathic physicians and allopathic medicines. Painkillers gives temporarily relief time to time. So the main symptom is dysmenorrhea, severe. Even the pain may cause faintness or unconsciousness. There is catches cold very easily. Sardi kashi lage, profuse perspiration, desire for egg, and as I have told you, fair, fatty and flabby. So the selected medicine is Calcarea carb. Catches cold very easily, profuse perspiration, desire for egg, and the physical makeup Calcarea carb. But I have prescribed Pulsatilla. Considering Pulsatilla patient is also obesity, mild temperament, prefers high pillow. During pain, wants open air. She prefers doors and windows open. So, irritable temperament a little bit, but relieved by consolation, mild temperament, prefers high pillow. During pain, wants doors and windows open, and the obesity led me to think of Pulsatilla. So, this is a peculiar case where Calcarea carb and Pulsatilla coming in 50% way. Many symptoms belongs to Calcarea carb and many symptoms coming for Pulsatilla. But I have chosen Pulsatilla on considering the mental symptom, mild temperament, consolation, amelioration. During pain, wants doors and windows open, prefers a high pillow, and the gallbladder is operated. So, let's see the result of Pulsatilla. Calcarea carb is in our hand. I shall share you the result of this case. Please remember this case number, video number, because this is a severe case of dysmenorrhea, maddening pain. Even the patient becomes unconscious during pain. Patienটের নাম ছবি আমি দিলাম না, ওরা চাইছিল না। ভিডিও নাম্বারটা খেয়াল রাখুন, সিমটোমেটোলজি বললাম। এই রেজাল্টটা কি দাঁড়ালো সবার পক্ষে জানতে সুবিধা হবে, সেজন্য আমি ভিডিওটা এইভাবে দিলাম।